Adolescence is over and youth is on the rise, but the beard on the cheeks is not clear, or many people have beards but thin or patchy beards that do not cover the jaw properly. Many men have hormonal problems, they grow beards much later than their actual age, or beards do not grow properly. This is mainly due to birth defects or some hormonal problems. Usually boys like to have a beard and cut their beards in different styles to enhance the beauty of their face. Those who have thin or patchy beards suffer from anxiety because they cannot enhance the beauty of their face by using these styles. In today's video we will give some important tips. If you follow these you will have a full-grown beard. The video is going to be very interesting, so watch the whole video, and if you're new here, subscribe to our channel. Number 1. Let the beard grow. Many of us are busy cutting or trimming beard when they are a little big. Beards do not grow at the same speed all over the face. In some places the beard grows within a week, and in some places it can take more than a month, so they should be given a chance to grow a little, then you can keep it light. Number 2. Increase hormone production. The hormone androgen, which plays an important role in growing a beard. Also, this hormone is responsible for hair loss. Not only thick beard but also the color of the beard depends on this hormone. Many people's beards turn pale due to lack of androgens. Now the question is how to increase the amount of this hormone in your body. It is usually a hormone of the testosterone group. Testosterone is the main sex hormone in men. It can be boosted in many ways. We have multiple videos on this channel. Video link given in description. You must watch the video at the end. Number 3. Regular exercise. The most effective and common way is to do regular exercise. Regular exercise is at the root of all physical growth, including muscle growth and height growth and beard growth, because it produces the fastest hormones through exercise. Start exercising regularly from today and you will see unimaginable changes in all areas of the body, not just the thin beard. Number 4. Reduce stress. Cortisol is the hormone responsible for increasing stress, and this hormone inhibits the growth of testosterone. So if you don't want to block testosterone, try to stay stress-free. It is usually released from the kidneys. As the anxiety increases, this hormone is released, which in turn interferes with hair growth. So worrying about beards is one of the reasons for low beards. Number 5. Onion juice. Applying onion juice on the face helps in growing beard. The sulfur in onions does this. Beards cannot grow properly without sulfur energy. Onion juice contains a lot of sulfur. It increases blood circulation and helps to thicken the beard by increasing the collagen production of the skin. First take 3 teaspoons of onion juice and 2 teaspoons of sunflower seed oil or sesame seeds oil, and then mix well with onion juice and sunflower seed oil in a bowl. This oil contains a lot of sulfur. Apply this mixture on the face and wait for 15 minutes, then wash with cold water. If you do this method 3 days a week, the beard will come out very quickly. Number 6. Find your style. There has been a lot of discussion about testosterone. Let's give a little different tips. Find out your own style using this beard, no matter what your beard is. For now, notice that not all big celebrities have thick beards. However, each of them has a unique style, such as Leonardo or Ali Jaffrey. Their beard style is different. It is not always possible to grow a beard for everyone, but it is possible to find a unique style with what you have. Lastly, a patchy beard is not something to be ashamed of. It is not something that you are ashamed of to the world, because it is a feature of you that sets you apart from everyone else. So without worrying about it, try to convert it into a style. The real style is to keep it tidy no matter what the beard is. If you like the video, don't forget to like, comment and share. If you are new to this channel, subscribe and press the bell icon next to it. Stay well and stay healthy, and finally thanks for watching.